am Šarūnas Zitkevičius, founder and owner of Classic Car Loft. We have been in business since 1989, with more than 30 years of experience. We work exclusively with vintage and classic cars. Our task is to restore and bring these vehicles back to life. Our workshop is in Lithuania, Kaunas. Our team consists of more than 20 people, and each of them are qualified specialists of their field. Every one of our employees has some kind of automotive education. There is no single random person, and all of them are huge fans of classic cars. All restoration work, from vehicle disassembly to carburetor adjustment, is carried out in one place. We do not outsource our work. Assembly of body, engine, interior is all done in our workshop. Here, we are standing next to a legendary Chevrolet Corvette C1. It's the first-gen Corvette. It has a problem with the engine. Currently, we are trying to find the cause. It could be problems with carburetor or combustion system. Maybe it is the engine itself. We do full-body restorations. All work is done using geometry stand. Some vehicles may lose all of its geometric characteristics over time. We also restore old vehicles that have been in an accident. It is often impossible to find a replacement part for a vehicle. In such cases, we manufacture it ourselves. We have all the necessary equipment for production of parts. One of the most important elements of restoration is preparation and quality painting of a vehicle. We use top-of-the-line Spies Hecker paint and surface treatment products. Here, we see a vehicle in one of the last stages of restoration. This is a BMW E9. Here we can see it is undergoing assembly of the chassis. We can see that each bolt is regalvanized. There is not a single bolt, part, or element left unrestored. Every little bit is refreshed. If you want to restore your old vehicle or your dream car and don't know who to trust with its restoration, you should write us, call us, or just come to our workshop. We will welcome you and show you what we do. Words like impossible, can't do, or won't do are foreign to our team. We will fulfill all your wishes and do it professionally while assuring the highest level of quality.